If you are watching this video, chances are you are thinking about using Bybit copy trading, but you are not fully convinced yet. Maybe you have tried trading yourself and realized it is harder than it looks. Maybe you tried signal groups or followed influencers and ended up disappointed. In this video, I will give you an honest review of Bybit copy trading, how it actually works, who it is for, who should stay away, and the real risks you need to understand before copying anyone. Why people look at copy trading? Most people don't come to copy trading because they are lazy. They come because they are realistic. They know trading takes time, discipline, and emotional control. They know they are not consistently profitable, and they don't want to spend years learning technical analysis. Copy trading looks attractive because it promises exposure to the market without having to become a professional trader. What copy trading really is. Copy trading simply means your account automatically follows the trades of another trader. When the trader opens a position, your account opens the same position based on the amount you allocate. When they close, your position closes. There is no magic. There is no secret strategy being shared. You are just copying execution. How Bybit copy trading works on Bybit, copy trading is built directly into the platform. You don't need external tools or third-party services. You choose a trader from the copy trading section, allocate funds, and the system mirrors their trades automatically. Your funds stay in your Bybit account at all times. You can stop copying whenever you want. Why people fail with copy trading? Most people fail with copy trading for one simple reason. They copy the wrong trader. They chase traders with the highest recent profits instead of understanding risk. They enter when performance is hot and leave when drawdowns appear. Copy trading doesn't remove responsibility. It only removes the need to click buy and sell. The biggest myth about copy trading. The biggest myth is that copy trading removes risk. This is completely false. You are still exposed to the same market volatility as the trader you copy. If the trader uses high leverage or risky strategies, you inherit that risk. Copy trading does not protect you from bad decisions, it only automates them. What makes Bybit copy trading different? Bybit stands out because of transparency. You can see detailed performance statistics for each trader, including historical returns, drawdowns, win rate, and trading behavior. This data is critical. Without it, copy trading is gambling. With it, copy trading becomes a risk management decision. Who should use Bybit copy trading? Bybit copy trading is best for people who understand that they are investors, not gamblers. It works well for people who want exposure to futures trading but do not want to actively trade themselves. It also suits people who are busy and cannot watch charts all day, but still want systematic participation in the market. Who should not use copy trading? If you are chasing fast profits, copy trading is not for you. If you cannot handle drawdowns, copy trading is not for you. If you think copying a trader means guaranteed income, you will be disappointed. Copy trading requires patience and realistic expectations. How to read trader statistics properly. When choosing a trader, do not focus only on total profit. Look at maximum drawdown first. A trader with steady returns and controlled drawdowns is usually safer than someone with explosive gains and deep losses. Consistency matters more than short-term performance. Why drawdown is more important than profit? Profit numbers look exciting, but drawdown tells you the truth about risk. A trader can make high returns by taking extreme risk, but eventually that risk shows up. As a follower, you need to survive drawdowns emotionally and financially. If you cannot, you will quit at the worst possible time. Why most followers become exit liquidity. Many followers enter copy trading at the peak of a trader's performance. This happens because rankings highlight recent gains. By the time most people join, the trader is already in a high-risk phase. This is why understanding statistics matters more than hype. What this review is not. This is not a promise that Bybit copy trading will make you money. It is not a shortcut to financial freedom. It is a tool. Used correctly, it can help you participate in the market more intelligently. Used incorrectly, it will cost you money like any other trading method. Risk management most people ignore. The biggest mistake followers make is allocating too much capital to one trader. Even good traders experience losing periods. You should never put all your funds into a single copy trading relationship. Diversification is not optional, it is survival. How much capital you should allocate? A safer approach is to start small and scale slowly. Treat copy trading like testing a system. Observe how the trader behaves during drawdowns, not just during winning streaks. If you feel emotional stress while copying, your allocation is already too high. When you should stop copying a trader, stopping a copy is not betrayal, it is discipline. If a trader suddenly changes behavior, increases leverage, or experiences drawdowns beyond their historical norm, it is reasonable to stop. Blind loyalty is one of the fastest ways to lose money in copy trading. The real cost of copy trading is not free. You pay trading fees and some traders take a share of profits. Over time, fees matter. If you copy frequently trading strategies, high fees can quietly eat into your returns. This is why reducing fees is not a small detail, it is a real advantage. Why Bybit fees matter for followers? Bybit offers fee rebates that directly improve your net results. When you copy trades, every position opened and closed generates fees. Lower fees mean you keep more of what you earn and lose less during flat periods. Legit copy trading versus other platforms. Compared to other platforms, Bybit offers strong transparency and detailed trader statistics. Some platforms hide important risk data or oversimplify performance. Bybit gives you more information, but that also means you must take responsibility for interpreting it correctly. Copy trading does not remove emotions. It shifts them. Instead of stressing about entries, you stress about trusting someone else. This is why understanding risk and expectations matters more than the platform itself. If you expect smooth profits, you will quit early. If you expect volatility, you can stay rational. Why most reviews are misleading. Many reviews focus only on profits or bonuses. They rarely talk about drawdowns, psychology, or long-term behavior. A good review should help you decide whether copy trading fits your personality, not just your wallet. Who actually benefits from copy trading? The people who benefit most from copy trading are those who accept that they are delegating execution, not responsibility. They monitor performance, control allocation, and stay emotionally detached from short-term fluctuations. Final verdict on Bybit copy trading. Bybit copy trading is neither a scam nor a miracle. It is a tool. It works for disciplined users with realistic expectations. It fails for those chasing fast money or avoiding responsibility. Whether it helps you or hurts you depends entirely on how you use it. If you decide to try Bybit copy trading, use the link in the description and enter the referral code 50 refund. This gives you a 20% fee rebate on both futures and spot trading and unlocks a welcome bonus of up to $30,000. Lower fees mean better long-term results, especially when using copy trading. Subscribe to this channel if you want more honest breakdowns of copy trading, trader selection strategies, and risk management. In the next videos, I will show how to evaluate traders step by step, how to avoid common traps, and how to combine copy trading with other strategies safely. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. Trading involves risk and you are responsible for your own decisions. Never trade money you cannot afford to lose.